Hey, what's up guys? Today I have a video on the Mobdro running on the Firestick TV, and this is if you have any issues with the audio being running behind or a little too ahead. So there's like an audio sync issue. It's not synced up. It's like a lip sync issue. Anyways, so I tried many forums online and I tried YouTube. There's no solution. So I messed around with the device and I finally found a solution. It's very quick. Let's get to it now. Alright, so you're gonna go to settings. Actually, you're gonna go to home, and then you're gonna go to settings, and then from there you're gonna go to display and sounds. There you go, and then from there you're gonna go to display. So now usually it's set up to auto, which means the Fire Stick automatically adjusts to your TV's picture quality, if you want to call it. So you may have only a TV that supports 720p, you may have a 1080, you may have a 4K if your Fire Stick supports 4K. Mine was on auto. My issue was that I unplugged my Fire Stick several times. I moved it around TVs around the home. So somehow it messed up. So what I did is I came in here and I took it off from auto and I put it into 1080p 60 hertz. So my TV is a little old. It doesn't support 4K. I got this TV a while ago, but it's still running. I made it a smart TV, obviously, by purchasing a Fire Stick, which is an amazing device. I definitely recommend for everybody to use. It's amazing. But this is the solution. I would just recommend after you switch this, just because, you know, restart your device. So you go to device, you scroll down, and you restart your device, and it takes less than a minute. Go back into Mobdro, and I wish you the best of luck. If you have any questions, I will try my best to answer. Please subscribe, because I will be uploading a video on how to install Mobdro, Kodi, and all that good stuff. Alright, thank you so much for all. Alright guys, so thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.